Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix an unresponsive or frozen iPhone screen in simple and easy steps. Step 1. First restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. This forces your iPhone to restart and obtain fixed frozen screen. Step 2. Clean the screen. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe the screen. Dirt, moisture or oil can affect touch sensitivity. Step 3. Remove the case or screen protector. Now take off your phone case or screen protector. Some thick or damaged protectors can interfere with touch response. Step 4. Check for iOS updates. Now go to settings, then general, then software update. Now install any available updates to fix bugs causing the issue. Step 5. Reset all settings. Now go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset. Now choose reset all settings. This won't delete your data but can fix system glitch. And that's how you can fix an unresponsive or frozen iPhone screen. Also follow those steps and your iPhone screen should respond smoothly again. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.